Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you guys are doing great. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this mandala, this beautiful quilled mandala, and I'm going to try it the very first time. So I hope you will like this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end if you want to learn it step by step. So let's get started. So very first thing, you need some quill strips and just attach them together. I'm attaching 4 strips. And I'm here using sky blue. And start rolling it and make a tight coil out of it. Just secure it with using glue. And now just take a green strip or a different color quill strip, make a tight coil out of it. I have created 25 more. Now just take a navy blue strip, start rolling it, loose the coil, secure it with the glue, and just press it between your fingers. You'll have an eye shape. I have shown you multiple times. Yeah, like this. I have created 25 using same method. For a ring, just take a yellow strip or any other color strip, wrap it around your glue bottle, secure it with using glue, and just start wrapping it around it. Wrap it till the end of the strip. And just secure it with using glue, and yeah, that's it. I have created 5 to 6 more. So I am using here cardboard. I have covered it with the white chart paper. So let's start assembling all the shapes that we have created. Firstly, we'll go with this tight coil. Just attach it in the center. Now just paste these rings one by one using glue. I think this is the simplest mandala that I am showing you, and this is the very basic one. And now take some strip of any colors and just attach some strips together to make it long strip. And just measure the size of this and make a big ring out of it. Secure it with using glue. And apply some glue all over the ring and just paste it. Now we have to attach these tight coils. So start assembling the tight coil around this big ring one by one. And this is such a fun, and this works as a therapy as well. It really relaxes your mind when you do this art and craft work, and I really love it. So when you are done with this tight coil, now let's move to this eye shapes. So let's start pasting one by one this as well. If you are watching this video till the end, so you know how easy it is. So I'm done with that. It will look like kind of this, and I really love the way it turned out. And I have written mandala over it because I had a gap over there. So I hope you liked watching this video. If you did, so please guys make sure to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, so please guys do it right now, and I'll see you soon with the next interesting video. Bye bye.